Welcome to Beyond and to the stunning Malibu coast. My name is Brian Sakawa and I'm known for always seeking out the most iconic and one-of-a-kind styles. And what could be a more luxurious way to travel than with the new Mercedes Maybach SL Monogram Series. Follow me to take a closer look and see for yourself what makes Maybach's first two-seater one of the most desirable models this illustrious brand has ever created. The Maybach brand's signature pedigree is instantly recognizable, made all the more exclusive thanks to a carefully curated design concept. It's a uniquely cohesive combination of colors and materials for the exterior and interior, all brought together and connected, made cohesive by the Maybach pattern. What we're looking at here is the red ambience design, which I think you'll agree is absolutely stunning. Let's take a look at some of the specific features that make this car so spectacular. Beginning with the specially embossed hood, one of its most unique components, and actually one of only 3 options that you have with this car. And now as far as the other options you've got a choice of color, either this garnet red or opalite white, as well as 2 different wheel designs. The exquisite embossing you see here on this hood is very labor intensive. Let me actually take a moment to describe how this is done. So between every layer of paint and clear coat, the hood is sanded by hand. And the actual application of the logo, or the printing of the logo on the hood, is very technically sophisticated. You can see that it's absolutely perfectly flush, and I don't need to tell you that that needs to be done with the utmost precision. As you can see here, the hood also sports a striking chrome-plated fin. This, along with the elegant chrome surround of the windshield, provide the perfect foil for the upright Mercedes star on the front of the hood. The unmistakable Maybach radiator grille, good for making a grand entrance. And this, along with the horizontal air intakes, makes it seem even more expressive. Let me tell you, even though I don't really need to tell you, that this is a Maybach down to the finest detail. Coming around to the side of the car now, it's clear the Maybach SL cuts a striking figure from every angle. And the distinctive wheel design, along with the Maybach lettering embossed into the wheel bolt covers, are especially elegant. Behind the seats, we have an aerodynamic double scoop, which helps to reinforce that individual look. Coming around to the rear of the car now, we can see that it's characterized by Maybach Signet taillights, a chrome-trimmed rear skirt with special diffuser, and tailpipe trims with that signature horizontal bar. All that is to say that this Maybach makes its mark, whether coming or going. Let's take a look inside, shall we? The fully digital instrument displays feature Maybach-specific startup animations and graphics. Super cool, but honestly, what impresses me the most is the lavish cabin design and extensive use of exquisite materials, with a level of craftsmanship you can absolutely see and feel. The crystal white seats with their almost floral-like stitching embrace you with sustainably tanned Nappa leather, and they also contrast extremely well with the metal trim parts and galvanized seat backs. Of course, this open-top two-seater grants you all the supremely dynamic driving pleasure you would expect of a Mercedes Maybach. Power is provided through the combination of an 8-cylinder 4-liter bi-turbo engine with 430 kilowatts, that's 585 horsepower, and a 9G-tronic automatic transmission. Fully variable 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive delivers that power right to the road. And standard rear-wheel steering ensures agility, no matter how curvy the road ahead, while at the same time, the Mercedes Maybach SL is the epitome of a smooth operator. Comprehensive insulation measures and technical refinements guarantee a quiet and comfortable driving experience. When it launches in the spring of 2025, where will your first journey with the Mercedes Maybach SL take you? Want to see more? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to watch more videos from Mercedes-Benz.